First, we cut off the root from the green onion. Then we can cut the rest into 2 inches in length. Then we can chop them. And then we can chop them into really finely minced ginger. For garlic, we will use the blade of our knife to crush them so that we will peel off the skin. And then we can chop them into larger pieces. For this recipe, I use the larger one because they are less likely to burn in the oil. Then, again, as I say, we only need half an onion for the dish. You can save the other one later. First, we chop off the bottom and the top part of the onion. Then we can just peel it. We can take out the first layer. Then we can slice the onion into wedges.